Let's learn your ABCs. A is for alpaca. Alpacas like to eat hay and grass. B is for bats. Bats like to fly at night and sleep in the day. C is for cats. Meow. Cats are playful and curious creatures. D is for deer. Deers live in the forest and mountains. E is for eel. Eels live in the ocean. F is for frog. Frogs like to swim in ponds. G is for goose. The goose is from the family of birds. H is for hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in seashells. I is for iguana. They live in the tropics. J is for jaguar. Jaguars live in the jungle. K is for koala. Koalas live in Australia. L is for lion. Lions like to roar. M is for monkey. Monkeys like to swing on trees. N is for narwhals. They live in the ocean. O is for otters. They love to swim. P is for polar bear. They are white and live in the cold. Q is for quail. They are small and are brown and have orange colours on their feathers. R is for rooster. They crow to greet the day, bright and early. S is for shark. They have big teeth and live in the ocean. T is for turtle. They can grow big and strong. U is for urchin. They are pinchy and live on the seabeds in the ocean. V is for vulture. They are big, large birds. W is for warthog. They are from the same family of pigs. X is for X-ray fish. They are known for their translucent body.